Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Fidelity account. The first thing I want you to do is go to the Fidelity website, come here, click on open an account, and then you can choose from all of these options. In this case, I'll do a brokerage account. Click on open now. Then you choose whether it's an individual account or a joint account, okay? And which type of joint account you want. Once you're done with that, click on next, and it'll ask you if you are a Fidelity customer. Okay, if not, click on no, and then click here on next. You need to give information about yourself. Details such as these, make sure they match your ID. Okay, your first name, middle name, last name, social security number, details like these. You enter these, your address here, you enter those as well. Hit next, and then you need to tell them about your employment situation, whether you're employed or you're not employed, and answer that, and then go ahead and hit next. Then enter your employment details if you are employed. Okay, what associations right here, if you have these associations, go ahead and say yes or no. Go hit next, and then here is just you reviewing your account information. So just go and review everything, make sure everything is correct, your personal information, employment information, your tax withholding situation, and then come here, click on open account, and there you go, your account will be open. They'll send you an email to the email address you have provided, okay, if they need more information to confirm your account. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.